Good morning, Pythians. How are you? I hope you all are fine at home. Very good. So today it's our EVS class. Which class is today? EVS. Previously in EVS class, you have studied about my family. है ना? You have studied now my family. So, can we give it a quick revision? Very good. There are two types of families. One is big family and second is small family. So, in small family, there are less number of people. And who are they? Mama, Papa, your brother or sister and you. Small family. And in big family, there are large number of people. And who are they? Grandma, Grandpa, Mama, Papa, your brother or sister and you. So these are two types of families. One is big and one is small. So we have revised the previous syllabus now. Now moving forward to next thing. Before starting that, I want to ask you a question. Will you give it your answer? Yes? Very good. So, I want to ask you, how do you go to your nanny's place? Everybody goes to your nanny's place now. I also go. And how do you go there? If it's nearby, how will you go? You can go by walking also. And if it's far away, then how will you go? How will you go? You'll take the help of car, bus, motorcycle, aeroplane or some other transport, right? You will take the help of them. So today our topic is transport. We will talk about modes of transport. Yes. So first of all, we will learn about what is transport. What are vehicles? Vehicles help us to move from one place to another place. If we are sitting here and if we want to go on far away places, so how we will go? We will take the help of a vehicle and we will go there either by car, aeroplane, motorcycle, bicycle, bus, train or any other transport. We will take the help now. So we will going to learn about modes of transport. What are modes of transport? There are three modes of transport. How many modes of transport are there? Three. First is land transport. First is land transport. Number two is air transport. Number two is air transport. And number three is water transport. Number three is water transport. So we are going to learn about them today. Okay, I will show you the same with an example. So first we will start with land transport. So now the question arises, what is land transport? The transport which runs on road is called land transport. The vehicles that run on road are land transport. Now this is bicycle. This is bicycle. You are a grown-up baby now, so you can ride a bicycle, right? If you don't know, then tell your mama papa to teach you. So this is bicycle. This is train. This is train. Train runs on tracks, but it is also a land transport. So this is train. This is car. What is this? Car. Everybody might be having cars at their home. Yes? So this is car. And this is bus. Bus helps to move from one city to another city, right? And it also helps in taking to the school also. We can go to school by bus. Yes. So this is bus. So this is land transport. See the road over here. I have made a road. So this is land transport. The vehicles that run on road are land transport. Very good. Now this is air transport. This is air transport. What are air transport? The vehicles that fly in air are air transport. The vehicles that fly in air are air transport. See the air over here. I have made sky. जो स्काई में फ्लाई करते हैं वो क्या होते हैं? हमारे एयर ट्रांसपोर्ट. सी एरोप्लेन. दिस इज aeroplane. And might have you have traveled in aeroplane also, some of you? Yes, this is rocket. This also flies in air. And this is helicopter. This is helicopter. So what is this? Air transport. Which mode of transport is this? Air transport. Now third one is water transport. Third one is water transport. This is boat. This is boat. The transport which moves in water are water transport. This is boat. These are two oars in it. The boat sails through oars. And this is motorboat. In motorboat, we use motor to sail a boat. We use motor to sail a boat. And this is ship. This is ship. This is ship. See the water over here? This is water transport. Yes. So now we have learnt about modes of transport. There are 3 types of modes of transport. We have learnt land, air and water. So today now we will discuss some questions together and you will learn them. Your mama will listen to it and will give you a marks for them. Happy now? Very good. So our first question is, name any 2 means of air transport. Name any 2 means of air transport. Everybody knows. We have learned now. Aeroplane and helicopter. Aeroplane and helicopter. These are 2 means of air transport. Very good. Next question is, name any 2 means of water transport. Name any 2 means of water transport. We can say any. Boat and ship are means of water transport. Boat and ship. Third question is, name any 2 means of land transport. 2 means of land transport. And we know so many land transports, right? One is car and one is bus. One is car and one is bus. They run on road and so they are land transport. And the last question is, which is the fastest means of air transport? Everybody knows, है which is the fastest means of air transport? Aeroplane. Aeroplane is the fastest means of air transport. Aeroplane is the fastest means of air transport. So now you have to learn all the questions. Okay, and I will give you one worksheet. You have to separate the vehicles according to their modes, land, air and water. Okay, very good. So today I am not having any story and rhyme for you. We will do some creativity. Happy? Very good. So this is means of transport. One is bus, aeroplane and boat. Your mama will draw any one of them and you will color in it. You can color in your favorite means of transport. Yes. Okay, this is a school bus. See, I have written your school's name over here, Pite. You are a Pitean, na? So this is your school bus. This is aeroplane. This is aeroplane. And which means of transport is this? Air transport. And this is boat. This is boat. So you can color in any of them and your mama will draw it for you. Okay? And then you will show the work to your teacher. So you have to complete everything and then you have to thoroughly revise the modes of transport. Thanks for watching me. Bye bye. Take care.